Hello English learners, welcome back to Dream to English. In this video, I am going to explain how you can start speaking English from beginner level. If you are a student and you are a working person and you want to improve your spoken English, then I would say do watch this video till the very end to make the most of this video. So without making further ado, let's get started. If you are a student or you are a working person and you want to improve your spoken English, you must have known some basic action verb like go, come, play, keep, watch, use. So my basic pro tip is just use these basic verb in your day-to-day conversation. You can start making sentences like this. You can say I go, I play, I come back, I use, I watch, I walk, I run. So in this way you can just start speaking sentences from very basic level. So in these sentences I have used only two words, subject and action word. In initial stage you can start speaking sentences only using two words, subject and action word. Then you can move one step ahead and you can add object in your sentences like I go to college, I go to shop, I go to the garden, I go to playground, I go to study, I go to take a bath. In this way you can add so many words you want to add in your sentence. Now you can take another verb like play. I play in playground. I play chess. I play cricket. I play football. I play hockey in playground. I play in morning. I play in evening. In this way, you can make lots of sentences, as many sentences you want to make. So this is a very beginner level practical pro tip how you can start speaking sentences by your own. Let's call it a day. I hope you have got some valuable knowledge and you can use this knowledge in your day-to-day speaking practice. If you have any doubt or question in your mind, please let me know in comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel for such type of amazing videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep speaking English and dream to English. Bye bye.